Hello. So in this video, I wanted to talk about the 5 potential ways, or the 5 unanswered questions that physicists have. And the first question would be the origin of the Big Bang. Was there something that caused the Big Bang? And the other thing is, how will the universe end? In that sense, physicists have most likely 3 scenarios where the universe will end. The thermal heat death, the big crunch, or the big rip. The thermal heat death is when the acceleration force of the universe and gravity are equal and they balance each other out and everything reaches a thermal equilibrium. So the next one would be the big rip. This is where the acceleration or the expansion of the universe overcomes gravity and everything gets ripped apart, even at the subatomic scale. And the big crunch is when gravity overcomes everything and gravity overcomes all the other the expansion force and everything collapses into a single point, kind of like the Big Bang. But there's also a theory that says it's called the Big Bounce theory, to where you have the Big Bang and then the Big Crunch, and then you have the Big Bang and the Big Crunch. So that's one possibility in which the world or the universe behaves. The second unanswered question in physics is, can general relativity and quantum mechanics be bridged? General relativity deals with the description of physics at the large scale, such as stars and the expansion of space. Quantum mechanics deals with the physical descriptions at the subatomic scale, such as, electron tunneling and Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. And when you try to bridge GR and quantum mechanics, you get nonsensical answers, and we want to know, can these ever be bridged into one theory? The next question is, are there extra dimensions? And if so, is there a way in which we can test for these extra dimensions? And what would be of those extra dimensions? And the last question is, where do neutrinos get their mass from? If you don't know, a neutrino is a particle or a fundamental particle on the Standard Model, and we don't exactly know where these particles get their masses from.